couldn't hold C-spine. Sir, who's going to hold your neck for me, okay? I'm going to check you out.
No, I just want to make sure my son's okay.
Your son has been in a wreck with you. There's a crew with your son. We're taking care of him. I promise.
I just want to talk to my son.
Let me check you out first, and we'll let you know what's going on.
When responding to a direct question from a family member, it's important to maintain a calm, comforting manner in spite of how sad or tragic or even scary the message you present is. To help the family focus on what is happening in the moment, describe the steps that you are taking and what comes next. It's okay to say that you don't know the answer to a question, but follow that with reassurance that everything that you are doing is for the benefit of their child.
Is that Jamie? Is that Jamie?
Yes,
Jamie!
It's Jamie, sir.
Jamie!
Sir,
Is he okay?
we're working with him.
Jamie,
A crew
why
is
is he-
working with him.
why is he
okay,
on a stretcher?
Sir? I need you to
Why
calm
is he
down.
on a stretcher?
They're working with Jamie, okay? We're going to take care of you.
The way that you present yourself in the situation may affect the way in which the family that you will meet will react. If you appear nervous and anxious, the family may not have much confidence in you as a caregiver and may even become more anxious than they already were. If you appear calm, even when inside you're nervous, that calmness can give help to calm the family. When you are speaking to the family, seemingly little things can be important. Ask the name of the child that you are caring for. Then use the child's name when referring to them. It's a great way to make a connection to the family. If a parent was in an accident with the child, they may be more concerned with the well-being of their child than with their own. It's important to insist that the parent receive treatment so that they can be more present for their child. But don't be surprised if the parent refuses treatment in order to focus on the child.
That's all we can do here. I'm going to have to go talk to Dad. Sir, my name is Ken.
Hi, Ken.
I'm with the city.
I'm Jack.
Jack, I know you're concerned, but I just have to let you know that your son at this point has died.
No.
I have done everything.
No.
I have done everything that I can.
Look,
to help him.
Is there anything else you can do? Can you just
everything medical that could be done for him has been done for him.
There's just no way.
There are a couple of things I need to ask you. First of all, is there anybody that I can call? Your wife, your mother, family member, somebody that can come to be with you? Okay.
The way that you communicate with the family is critical. When possible, introduce yourself by name, shake their hand if appropriate, perhaps even touch their shoulder. People have different feelings about touch, so take your cues from them. Ask the parent's name and use it. When speaking with the parent, position yourself that you can speak eye to eye with them. If they are standing, stand with them. If they are sitting, sit. It's important that, if avoidable, you not look down at them. Concrete language is crucial. If the child has died, use that kind of language. Use the words died or dead. Slang like the child is gone or has passed on are not helpful at a time like this. The family looks to you as the expert in the situation. Reassure them that everything that can be done medically has been done. Offer to call their clergy, friends, or family to be there with them. Then stay with the family until their preferred support can come to be with them. If they want time alone, that's okay. Be nearby in case there's a need.
Okay. Then we can get a hold of her. All right. There's some things that are going to happen. I have to tell you what those are. All right. Basically, the police are going to come and they're going to do an investigation. They're going to treat this as a crime scene because they have to. That's not saying you've done anything wrong. Basically, what that means is the coroner's being called. My partner's doing that right now as we speak.
Can I just see him? Can I just go over and see him, please?
I will let you see him, but the police have to do their investigation. Then the coroner has to see him first. And once that's done, I promise you, I'll take you over and you can see your son. Right now, I'm not going to leave you alone. We're going to go ahead and get a hold of your wife. And I will stay here with you until she gets here and longer if you need me.
I just don't know. Oh my gosh.
Parents need clear information about what will happen next. When told that the coroner and police are either here or on their way, it's natural for a parent to become defensive. Respectfully and compassionately tell them that this is a normal part of what happens at a time like this. The desire for a parent to spend time with their child, touching them or holding them is not unusual, but may not be permitted until the coroner has had time to investigate. If the coroner gives permission, prepare the parent for what they are about to see. Once again, offer to stay with the parent for as long as they need you or as long as you can.